Hey friends, this is Miss Real, the ESL teacher. I'm happy to talk with you. Estoy maestra de inglés como lengua segundo, ESALA. Okay, so to start with, from this page, you'll go to Canvas. Look for the staff or student login. Mine's going to look a little different than yours, but you'll look for Canvas. Here you will see your classes. Here are some of mine. Find your ESL class. So here is our home page. Okay? So we'll be following a schedule of when we will be having class together. Okay? Here is my contact information, my email, and you will need the Remind app. If you're in ESL 1, the code is HON 504. If you're in ESL 2, you will need GUA 502. Those are the country codes for Honduras and Guatemala. I thought that might be a fun way to remember them. Okay. You may contact me during school hours. If you need help individually, please tell me and we will schedule a time. La cosa más importante es, dígame si necesita ayuda. Dígame, dígame, dígame. Necesita ayuda. Please, please, please tell me if you need help. No puedo leer tu mente. I can't read your mind. So please tell me if you need help. Okay. So here on our Welcome Back to School button, you will find some general information to get us started. Here on Learning Modules, learning modules. These are our assignments. So we'll have some stuff to practice together and then a way for you to show me what you learned. So that is a little bit about Canvas and how to find our assignments. You also need paper and pen. Necesite papel y lápiz or pluma. Okay, and so that we can enjoy learning together. So I look forward to getting to know you and look forward to being your teacher. Please get the Remind code. Get the Remind code so that we can be ready for the first day of school. Thank you.